Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this episode we are taking my brother's XR8 out and we're going to do a few 0 to 100s on it and see what it's going to do. Now he's left this with me for a month, so there's a good chance to do this video because he's taken the Pulsar back up to the city. So if you guys didn't know which car this one was, it was the purple XR8 that was on this channel, and the last video on this we painted it green and did the whole thing. So if you want to check that out, check out the last video. But yeah, we'll take this out and we'll see how it goes. So if you don't know what's been done to this car, it's the Boss 260. It has pacemaker extractors, air intake, high flow cats, pacemaker exhaust, and it's been tuned. So last time it was on the dyno, it made 310 at the wheels, horsepower that is, and we've done a little bit since then, so it might have a touch more. But yeah, we'll get out there and we'll see what this thing does. So there you have it, guys. We did the first one, that was with the traction control on, didn't get quite a bad launch, got 5.8. Did the second one, the traction control kicked in a bit and we got 5.9. Then I tried again without the traction control and we got 5.8 again. So it's pretty safe to say it's around 5.8. I reckon with my brother driving, he'd probably be able to get 5.7. But considering what this is, and the fact it's a 260 and from factory the 290s were pulling 6.1 to 100, I reckon we've got to be pretty impressed with that. Probably, you know, even on a better surface and some better tyres. And yeah, he's got some more plans for this coming in the future, so we'll be able to get that time down even more. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. This project is always fun. It's good to do stuff with the family. But yeah, guys, until the next one, see you later.